So within the chloroplast, hence within the chloroplast, protons in the stroma decrease in number, while in the lumen there is a accumulation of protons. So this creates a proton gradient across the thylakoid membrane, as well as a measurable decrease in the pH in the lumen. Okay. Now chemiosmosis requires a membrane, a proton pump, a proton gradient, and ATP synthase. Along with the NADPH produced by the movement of electrons, the ATP will be used immediately in the biosynthetic reaction taking place in the stroma, responsible for fixing CO2 and synthesis of sugars. Where are the ATP and NADPH used? Okay, the products of light reaction are ATP, NADPH, and oxygen. O2 diffuses out of the chloroplast, while ATP and NADPH are used to drive the process leading to the synthesis of food, more accurately sugars. So this is biosynthetic phase of photosynthesis. Now this process depends on CO2 and H2O. The Kelvin cycle, the first product identified was 3-phosphoglyceric acid, or PGA. Okay, C3 pathway and there is C4 pathway. C3 pathway, first product is the PGA, and in C4 plant pathway, first product is the oxaloacetic acid. This was proved using the C14 radioactive in algal photosynthesis, that is C3 cycle. Then primary acceptor of CO2 is 5-carbon keto sugar ribulose bisphosphate RUBP. The Kelvin cycle. So Kelvin pathway occurs in all photosynthetic plants. It does not matter whether they have C3 or C4 pathways. Now the Kelvin cycle. The Kelvin cycle proceeds in 3 stages, that is carboxylation, during which CO2 combines with the RUBP, ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate, and reduction, during which carbohydrate is formed at the expense of the photochemically made ATP and NADPH.